Hey guys, it's Hybrid Comics here, and this is week 10 of my crypto journey. As you can see right now, Bitcoin just passed 13,000 on the Coinbase or GDAX index. Right now it's at 1370. So last week I thought it was going to correct. It lost a few $100 and then it just kept going up and up and up. Now it's at 10,000. Now it's at 13,000 7 days later. So I don't know if it's going to correct or not. We'll see. If it keeps on going up, that's fine too. I don't mind that. Ethereum has been going down, and there's a reason for that. I'm going to talk about that in a sec. Everything else has been going up. Right now, everything just turned red. So we'll see what happens there. Still mining Vertcoin. The halving for Vertcoin is in 6 days. But one of the largest mining pools apparently stopped mining. And so now I'm getting smaller payouts, but I'm getting them a lot more frequently. So now I'm getting more Vertcoin per day than I was previously. So every week I come on and talk about mining. My ROI on the mining rig and equipment continues to go down. So that's something I was not expecting. I was expecting the opposite of that, but I'll take it. I'll get it. Let's see. Last week I was still in the hole for $1,000 and change. This week I'm in the hole for $187. So next week everything will be paid for. And I've already made my return on my investment. So I'm only negative 5.5% on my investment. And so next week, even if it's a bad week for crypto, it should be at zero. Actually, it would probably even be better. I bought a Ledger Nano S. I said I wasn't going to buy anything, but I did buy a Ledger Nano S. That's pretty cool. You can put a lot of things on there. It's pretty versatile. I'm pleased with it. Alright, so Bitcoin is above 13. This is my portfolio diversification. So I've got a few things going on, probably a little bit more than I really wanted. And I'm still trying to get some more. There's a few ICOs and things going on that I'd like to get in on. But right now, my biggest holding is Vertcoin, 23%. And then Bitcoin is right behind it at 16%. And then IOTA is at 14%. So those are my largest parts of my portfolio. Then I've got a few things out there too. I'm looking at getting into INS. Their ICO is going on right now. I think it's the 3rd day. I sent my money to them and I was doing all the steps. And then in the last step, step 3, it says, if you're a US investor, you can't do this. Email us and we'll work something out. So we'll see what happens there. There's Envion that happens on the 15th. That looks pretty cool. That I'm interested in. There's McAfee, but that won't happen until Q1 of 2018. So that's still off. And I think that's it as far as buying and getting crypto. I don't think I did any. Oh, I guess I didn't do any trading. I did try to buy a crypto kitty. I tried to buy 2 crypto kitties. This one I tried to buy yesterday evening. Yeah, yesterday evening, and this one I tried to buy this morning. And basically, I don't know if it's the Ethereum network or this site has just got so much activity. Nothing's happening with Ethereum. Either you're paying the same amount for the kitty as you are for the transaction, which is kind of crazy. But if you haven't heard of this, basically it's blockchain kittens. And so they have all these traits or attributes, I guess. And here they are down here. So it'll show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 of them that this one has. I don't know if they have more than that or those are the only ones they have. But I think these are the only ones that they show because that's the one that I guess they express, like genetics. And basically you breed two of the cats and you get a new cat. And then you can have somebody pay you to breed them or pay someone to breed yours. And then you get babies, and I guess you can trade them or sell them. So I tried to do that, but I couldn't get it to go. So I'll probably try that once a day and see if it works. The Ethereum network is super slow. Just to do this, sending Ethereum over to MetaMask took like an hour or longer. So the Ethereum network is pretty degraded because of this one application. So either that could be a really good thing for Ethereum or a really bad thing, that I can't support, I guess, one simple game. Or it's good that they can see the flaws in the system and get it working so it can accommodate something like this or something a lot more robust. But that's what's going on. This is more enjoyable every week. I don't know, I find more new things. Every week something's happening. Something's going on in the crypto area. So it's still pretty cool. I'd like to get more GPUs for mining. Maybe I'll do that in a week or two when I actually have a profit. Because once I'm out of the red, I want to stay out of the red and just use the profits to build on what I have already. So that's pretty much it for this week. I don't think anything's happening or supposed to happen or coming out. We'll just keep our eye on Bitcoin and see what's going on there. It's continuing, right now it's at 13,100. It's just continuing to go up and up and up. And I can't imagine that there's any way that it can sustain just this, I guess, unbridled growth. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. And next week it'll be up. It'll either be up a lot more or hopefully. I mean, I would like to see a correction. I'd like to get it done and over with and move on to the next thing. So there you go. If you have any questions about mining, CryptoKitties, or anything else, let me know. Leave it in the comments and I'll try to get back to you. And thanks a lot. Have a great week.